In this video, you'll learn how to upload a website on Namecheap in just a few minutes, so you can take your project live with reliable hosting and your own domain. First, go to Namecheap.com and sign into your account. Open the dashboard. Click on Hosting List in the left sidebar and select the hosting package connected to the domain where you want to upload your website. Next, click Go to cPanel to access your hosting control panel. cPanel is where you'll manage all your website files, databases, and settings. Once it loads, scroll down to the Files section and open File Manager. Now, navigate to the public.html folder. This is where all your website files need to live. If you have an existing site, you can delete the default files inside this folder before uploading your own. After that, click the Upload button at the top of the File Manager. Select your website files from your computer, make sure they're zipped if you have many, and wait for the upload to finish completely. Once uploaded, right-click your zip file and choose Extract to unpack everything into the public HTML folder. Then visit your domain in a browser, and your website will be live and ready for visitors instantly. And that's it. Your website is now uploaded on Namecheap, fast, secure, and live for the whole world to see.